Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can check for a system update on your Google Pixel 8. For that, you want to go to your settings and then scroll all the way down to system. And here we can go to system update. And right now it says a download paused for whatever reason. So if you have an update available, it will show you here. And then you can go ahead and download and install it. There will be a button to do so, but our update, for example, fixes critical bugs and improves the performance and stability of your device. So you can learn more when we click here. Downloading updates over a mobile network or while roaming may cause additional charges. So that might be the reason why, because our Wi-Fi isn't working right now and I'm connected to my personal hotspot. If our Wi-Fi is working again, we will go ahead and fix that and download the update. You can go ahead and download your update if you have one available. So that's how you can check for a software update on your Google Pixel 8. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.